Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a clear clip and a focused goal. Remove the background. First, import your video into Clipchamp and pick the correct aspect ratio for your output. Once uploaded, drag the clip onto the timeline and trim to the exact section where background removal matters. This speeds processing. Make sure lighting and subject contrast are decent because Clipchamp's tool relies on visible edges. Now you have the trimmed clip ready for the background removal tool. Select the trimmed clip in Open Effects, then choose Remove Background. Clipchamp will analyze the frame and cut the backdrop. Once applied, refine parameters. Softness smooths jagged edges, edge feather reduces harsh lines, and threshold fixes missed pixels. If hair or semi-transparent elements remain problematic, duplicate the layer and mask problem areas manually, or paint a temporary solid background to increase contrast while refining. Keep previewing playback to ensure motion frames stay clean across the whole segment. Once the removal looks consistent across motion, preview the entire timeline and export at matching resolution and a higher bitrate to preserve detail. If you notice edge flicker or intermittent holes, go back and re-render short problem segments after tweaking softness and threshold. Sometimes splitting the clip and processing in smaller parts fixes temporal errors. If artifacts persist, consider reshooting on a solid green background or using a dedicated rotoscoping tool for difficult hair and transparency. This yields cleaner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.